Praveen L. Hi sir, I am a Java developer. Could you please tell me what is the future of Java as day by day other technologies are booming? Do I continue or can I learn other technologies? Please suggest. So Praveen, even today, Java is the most popular programming language, even today. Okay. Java started in late 1990s, that is in 1998, 97, 98. Java started booming, and since then Java has been forefront of web development. All the cloud infrastructure that you see, all the SaaS development that you see, software as a service, a lot of big data, Hadoop, Spring Framework, uh, Spark, Splunk. There are so many different frameworks on the basis of Java. There are frameworks which are derived from Java, may not be using Java directly, but they have a very similar uh, flavor of programming language, just like Java. Okay, so Java is still very popular. Java still has a huge scope because all the companies that have invested in Java programming are not just going to leave Java and go to something else. Okay, just because there is some new technology. Yes, new companies will adopt those technologies, new technologies, but if you see the core companies, they will still be on Java technology. Okay, so you have to understand that if there is some company which is working on Java, that is not just going to go to new technology because that technology is in the market. Okay, so if you are a master, if you are working for many years as a Java developer, okay, then uh, build your expertise on the domain that you are working in, build the expertise on the tools and technologies that you have worked in, and using those expertise you look at much better and bigger opportunities than whatever are there. Okay, so you can continue on Java. Within Java you can become a master, which will help you a much more. So for example, let's say you're on Java, you're learning one framework, you learn that framework so well that you're a master of that framework. So whichever company wants to implement that framework from scratch, they can hire you as a programmer, and you are like kind of a chief programmer at that place because of your expertise and knowledge. Is that okay? Java is not going out of scope. I have a video on my channel related to scope of Java in future, and you should watch that video. That video is very interesting, and I have explained why there are some 11 features of Java because of which Java is still very popular.